We just got back from vacation and Keith and I need to get out into the garden and do some harvesting. I know there's a lot of stuff out there to pick, but I also know there's a lot of cleanup to do. Some of the pepper plants have broken, so let's get out in the garden and see what we can harvest. That's a bummer. And you show me the inside of it. Oh, gross. Little holes. Cucumber worm, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Yuck.
Destroyed.
Ugh.
So,
alright.
I think we're getting rid of a lot of plants today, unfortunately.
Okay. Alright, so it looks like I have a pepper plant here that has broken off. Don't think I can save these guys, so these will go into the compost. More peppers here. What a mess. Alright, so it looks like these guys are going into compost too. Uh-oh, 2 more snap branches. Oh, bunch of peppers. Okay. Pull that plant. Nothing else left on that guy.
Yeah, there might be. Is he connected to him? No, there's nothing on him.
So what I didn't pick is all of the jalapenos that are just covered on the plant. So I'm not picking these right now. I'm not picking the serranos, which is very similar to the jalapeno, just a little bit hotter. This plant is covered, and I am not picking any of the habaneros or the cayenne. I'm gonna let these guys turn red. I only picked 1 or 2 of the banana peppers, so I'm gonna have to come out later and pick some more of the banana peppers. Tons on the plants. And then even over here, even more banana peppers. On these plants to pick. More jalapenos here. I'm gonna have to figure out to pick those. And then what I want to do down here, this is my lemon balm. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some of that possibly later this week. I did check all of the fig trees, and none of the figs look like there's any ready to harvest right now. So not this week. And my pomegranate tree is starting to get some good sized pomegranates. This guy looks like he's the closest to being ripe, but I still don't think he's ready to harvest yet. So not this week. And you see these grow bags back here? These are peanuts. Check out the flowers on those. They're so cute. I was looking down in here, and hopefully you guys can see that. But look, we're starting to get some peanuts. So pretty soon, I think we're going to be able to start harvesting these. Hopefully we'll do good this year. Okay, that's all I'm picking for right now, but I'll show you what I got from the garden. Alright, there is so much more to pick from the garden, but what a beautiful bounty. Look at all this. I have tons of cherry tomatoes, yellow and red. I only picked a couple of the banana peppers because I'll pick those later. Whole bunch of different peppers in here, lunchbox peppers, tons of eggplant. Even found a little cucumber in the garden. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next video.